Why have you not ordered pizza yet?
Helms Deep!
What size is mine?
Armageddon Holocaust.
You can have a token of mine.
Yeah.
You won't be able to see me.
Anyway, so
I can see you.
I don't care.
I can see you.
I don't care.
I have eyes.
So far, have been very Holy shit!
Yay! It went up.
That was tense for like a little second. Guys, we didn't. None of us got a very good angle of the firework that exploded at the ground level. Can we just try it again? Can you just stick one in and we'll all hide first, except Jamie. By the way, put it the right way around. Yes. Oh, it's one of them. Oh man.
It's terrifying.
Fucking punch! Fucking kick! Yes! I just humped your face! And you blew up! Hold on, guys, hold on.
This is the day I was born. I've only said this. An eventful life.
Let's all reenact Legend Man and the Assassin like our fans would. No, they wouldn't. They don't like that video.
This huge firework is called End of the World, and I am absolutely terrified.
Good work. Taking the best one. You conformist!
Get in the fire.
Oh God!
Get in there. You spoil us with all your sparkling.
Why is Kim so soggy? I am the Lord of all
It
sparklers.
doesn't count.
I am
they're
the
not
lord of the
attractive.
sparkles you see, and there's something about she's like
You look fabulous. Oh, okay, she's insane. She's gone crazy. She's gone mad with firepower.
Does your brother just run up and fart on your leg?
You'll get the group in trouble. By being an idiot. Jingle bells, 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 drop the bass.